my name is Varit and today we are going to do a science experiment. So let's start. To do this science experiment you need 4 materials. Dish soap, in this there is dish soap, water, any pepper and a plate. First step is you have to take the water and pour it in the plate. Like this. Done. More water. Done. Now what you have to do is take some pepper. You don't have to take too much pepper. Only take this much or this much. I'm gonna take more less. Oh no, it's falling down. Okay, done. This much is okay. Now after you have done this step, you have to just wait till it spreads. Give it a good small shake so it will spread. Now the pepper which has sank down, you don't have to concentrate it. You have to concentrate on the pepper which is up on the water. Only concentrate on that pepper. Because this thing which has sank down is not pepper. It's something which I don't know, but let's continue. Now take this soap on the finger and put it. Now the pepper will run away. As you can see, it worked. Only the pepper which is down didn't go because it's not pepper. Only the pepper which is on the up layer will go. If you are using black pepper and it's very clear, then this will work properly. I used another pepper, so it only worked on the surface which is up, not the down pepper. That's the main thing in this science experiment. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Guys, I need your support very much so I could make nice videos. I promise that I will make edited videos. I will do editing after 50 subs, after 50 subscribers. I promise, but I just need 50 subscribers and then I will do nice videos like editing also in it. So please subscribe to my channel. And the main thing I want is viewers, not subscribers. But when viewers are also coming, they can also subscribe my channel. So please subscribe to it, like the video, click on the bell notification and set it to all so you never miss any of my videos. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.